Nokia 5700 upper block disassembly and assembly hints. You will need the following tools: a Torx driver, the bit holder, a Torx plus size 5-bit, a torque driver, angle tweezers, the SS93, a dental pick, metal tweezers, and the DC plug. Cover all windows with a protective film. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Remove the battery if inserted. Use the SS93 to unlock the top cover. Always start on the shown side. Remove the top cover. Remove the logo plate. Pay attention to the light guide. Use the SS93 to unlock the side AC right, by pushing the side AC upwards at the same time. Remove the side AC right. Unlock the side AC left, by pushing it as shown. Remove the side AC left. Lift the K-Mate menu a bit and remove it. Remove the joystick cover. Gently unlock the antenna AC hooks. Paying attention to the spring contacts. Remove the antenna AC. Now, open the unit. Undo the screws in the order shown. And remove them. Remove the side connector tape and discard it. Gently open the covers as shown. Do not separate the parts from each other yet. Carefully open the HD flex connector. Very gently, lift a bit the coax cable connector with the dental pick. And open it with angle tweezers. Now, the frame upper AC with the system module can be separated from the C cover AC. Hold the parts as shown. First open the flex upper connector. and then open LCD connector, avoiding touching the surrounding components. Separate the parts from each other. The frame LCD is secured with 4 clips to the frame upper. Release the clips and remove the parts from the frame upper as shown. Remove the LCD from the frame LCD. Take care to the LCD connector. Always cover the sensitive surfaces with the protective film. Remove the IHF speaker. Remove the upper IHF gasket and the adhesive residues. Turn the lower block to the shown position. Remove all screw stickers and discard them. Undo the screws in the order shown. Remove the screws. Separate the C cover from the lower block. Remove the HD flex C. And discard it. The disassembly procedure is now finished. Assembly hints. Align the flex upper connector with the connector on the system module. Close it carefully. Take special care to the joystick during assembly. Gently position the HD flex onto the hinge. Take special care to the switches and to the right position of the hinge mechanical. Lift the frame upper with the system module as shown. And close the coax cable connector and the HD flex connector. Always use the new upper IHF gasket. Insert the IHF speaker, paying attention to the right position of the spring contacts. Align the hinge mechanical with the upper block, and assemble the unit starting on the shown side. Do the same on the other side. Set the torque driver to the correct torque, and tighten the screws in the order shown. Tighten the hinge screws to the same torque in the order shown. Always use new screw stickers when assembling the unit. Cover the hinge screws as shown. Always use a new side connector tape. And position it exactly into its place. Close the LCD connector. Place the LCD into the frame upper starting on the shown side. Gently fit the frame LCD. Take care to the LCD flex and secure the frame LCD into its place. Fit the joystick cover. Note its correct position. place the K-Mate menu. Insert the antenna SE, paying attention to the guide pin. Secure the antenna SE by pressing it into place. Fit the logo plate. Align the side SE left with the upper block. Check the correct position of the guide pins. Slide the side SE left into its place. Align the side SE right with the upper block. Check the correct position of the guide pins. And slide the side SE right into its place. Fit the top cover at the shown side first. And then press it into place. Finally, check that no gaps remain.